Hi everyone, Surya Munawara here. Let's say we have data for each salesperson and their product segregated by month. Okay, we have January until June. Okay, so what we would like to do now is to summarize the data into this worksheet to calculate the data from January until June. Later on, when we have added worksheets of another month, for example like July, we just need to select July and it will calculate it. Okay, let's begin. So first of all, we have to select everything. Okay, we have to select from A1 until D11. Then go to data. Okay, in the data tools group, there's one button consolidate. Click that button. So inside consolidate, first we have to select the function we would like to use. So since I would like to calculate total, so the function to be used is sum. We can have count, we can have average, max, and many other functions to select. Okay, reference, we have to select the first month. Okay, since in summary we selected the whole thing, okay, from A1 until D11, we have to do the same from January until June. So let's go to January, select A1 to D11, then click add. February. Okay, if the cell range or the addresses are all the same from January until June, we don't have to reselect. We just need to click the worksheet name. Okay, make sure to click add, go to March, add, go to April, add, go to May, add, go to June, add. Okay, sometimes the column name might not be the same. For example, maybe we have the column B, we have orange. In certain month, maybe in column B, we have apple. So to be safe, make sure to use labels in top row and also left column. And then click OK. Okay, let's say if I have another month's data, which is July. Same process, make sure to select from A1 to D11. Go to data. In data tools group, click consolidate. Under reference, go to July. Select from A1 to D11. And then click add. Click OK. So earlier it was 4,000 plus 2,000 plus, you give us 6,592. That's all for now. Thank you.